Hey, welcome back to Uncle Al's Barbecue. Today we're going to be doing something different. We're going to be making us some of this Texas toast, Texas toast garlic bread here, and we're going to make us some blackened shrimp. And what you do here is you get your Tony Catcher, right? And you get your blackened seasoned Zeterans. I'm telling you, that's all you need right there. We got us some raw Gulf shrimp right there. And we're going to get us a piece of Texas toast. And we're going to throw this in the pan just to start this, man. We're going to make 2 pieces of this Texas toast right on here. So let's get to cooking on that. We got that Texas toast in the pan with a little bit of oil in there. Meanwhile, while that's cooking, that you see that I put that in there, we're going to get these shrimps right here. Now, these shrimps right here, I had to peel them, but they're pretty much deveined. Out of the Gulf, use what shrimp you can get in your region, in your area. So all I do here is you just dump you on a little bit of that Creole, and I got a little oil on top, and a little bit of this Cajun. You round it on top, and you just kind of work it in like a dough. Just work it around. Woo, one come flying out, man. He didn't even want to stay in that basket. He said, I want to get on out of here. Now, if you watch this here, it turns out being like a sauce. And that's what it's going to be later on. Right now, we're cooking it in the sauce and getting it in there. Now, when this goes to hit into that pan, I'm going to put some butter in that pan. And then we're going to sprinkle some more of that seasoning on there. And I'll tell you, I made this stuff the other week with my shrimp Creole. And it was fantastic. I mean, fantastic. So let's get out Mr. Tong and flip over this garlic bread here, dough. Let's see what we got. All you want to do, woo. I mean, all you want to do is get that golden brown there. You see that there? Man. Now, I don't know if a bunch of you guys watch this awesome dude. Awesome. Woo. Excuse me. That spice has just hit me hard. When you go Cajun, you better be raging. All right? And there's one dude out there say, it's time to hydrate, dude. Y'all know that. I don't know if I'm allowed to mention his name, but I tell you, I love that dude. One day I'm going to meet him because I got some recipes too. So look at that. Look at that Texas toast. Woo! We turn it back over. She almost is beautiful. Almost is beautifully cooked. The reason I cooked the Texas toast first is I want it to kind of season the pan also with that Texas toast. Garlic Texas toast. And if you had never had no shrimp and grits without that Texas toast, you need to do it. And I got some grits over there. I thought about doing it, but I'm too lazy. And that's the way it is. Uncle Al's always going to be honest with you. You want to see this toast? Oh, woo, baby. All right. I just want a little golden brown. I'm going to give that a couple more seconds. And we're going to get out old Mr. Butter. Oh, yeah. We're going to get out old Mr. Butter here. Turn this pan up to a little bit above medium high. Medium high. Okay? Your stove is different, but there, you see? A little bit above medium high. If it can melt the butter, then that's all you need to do, dude. You understand? We're going to grab that here glob of butter. Wham! And there we go. We're going to get that butter. It is unsalted butter. I've always used unsalted butter. We're going to roll that on around to Funky Town, man. You feel me? We're rolling that around to Funky Town. Nope, I'm not editing. I don't got that big money. Woo, we're rolling that around the funky town. Now, we're going to dump in all that shrimp that I just seasoned there. With all them seasonings. And run up on that butter there. Woo! Alright. Always wash the pan when you're done. Now, hit it up with that blackened. Hit it up. Spread that on now. Spread that on now. Get that in there. Woo! Hoo-hoo. When you want them blackened, don't be slacking on that seasoning. You know what I'm saying? Now you get all that in there and put on a little bit of a Tony's in there too. The little Creole, just a little sprinkle. It's got a different flavor to it. And you know, I know, if you know, then you know that what I'm saying is what it really is. So we get that thing seasoned in here. These shrimps don't take long. They don't take long. So I'm just going to let it roll. Let them cook. And now I'm going to bump this heat up to medium high. Medium high. And as soon as it gets to the bubbling and steaming and burning, which you can't smell but I will, that's when it's time to flip them. You're only talking a couple minutes here. Time to hydrate. Only a couple minutes here. That's the way I do the video. I show you from start to finish. I did not show you how to peel shrimp. I think that's pretty much self-explanatory. Woo, we're getting it on in there. See how that butter and all them seasons, it's going to kind of caramelize. It's going to kind of caramelize. You look at that there. Look at that there. And basically blackened is you kind of want to burn it a bit. But you still want them juicy and tender. So let's go on and put a little cover on here. Woo! Because we'll make sure they're cooked. You gotta make sure they're cooked. The shrimp don't take long. Gonna give this probably another minute. And flip it over. And we're gonna put it on some high heat. And roll it on off. And that should about do it. You hear it? You hear it? It's saying, all right, we getting it going now. It don't take long with these shrimps. You basically kind of do a flash fry on them if you want. I thought about breading them. But I made this last week with that Creole. Woo! Alright, you seen that? Alright, you seen that? You gotta flip them. You gotta flip them. All right. All right, they flipped over. And now we're just trying to get that butter sauce. There's been a little oil in there. See that? Woo! Remember, it's all about flavor. And just because it's not completely black doesn't mean it's not black canned. Okay? I mean, the black canned, when it's black, is basically kind of burning them. I'll tell you what right now, if you were here, man, you smell that seasoning rolling. Smell that seasoning rolling. Smell that seasoning rolling. Woo! Sprinkle you on a little more blackened on top. I want these things spicy today. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. What's that guy say? That's money, dude. That's money. If you could smell this right here. You can smell this right here. Smell the action going on. Woo! Woo! You got some action going on here. You definitely can smell that. Guarantee you. Guarantee you can start smelling that. You smelling that now? You smelling that now? While we doing this, it's time to hydrate. Always hydrate while you're cooking. Uh-oh. Woo! Woo! What you think of that? All right. Well, we got some fire rolling on here. Them shrimp is done. Them shrimp is done. Move this right over here to show you this. We're gonna pour this on in here and get these shrimp on out. Wham! Gonna lay them shrimp on down there. Woo, man. If you could smell them spices, man, I'm telling you. You can smell them spices, baby. Woo! Oh, yeah. There we go. There we go. Now, take a little bit of that seasoning and just drizzle some of that there. Drizzle some of that there. Got the box in the way. Just drizzle. A little bit of that juice right there on that bread, dude. There you go, doll. And we're gonna drizzle that blackened over the top. Woo! That's some burnt seasoning. That's all that blackened is right there. Woo! Man, oh man. Clean that pan up. Always clean your pan up. Woo! Clean that pan up when you're done. All right. Blackened shrimp, dude. Let's go take a bite of this. Grab this one right here. Woo! What do you think of that? You gonna bite of that bread? Man. Man. Whew. I mean, that season, it's not overbearing. Man. Oh, man. Look at that there. Look at that. It's not dried out. Still juicy. Whew. It's got some kick. Man. Not overbearing. Just could pie that. Put that on some Texas toast, dude. Boom. That money right there, dude. Thank you again for watching Uncle Al's Barbecue. Blackened shrimp with Texas toast. Man. Oh, man. Did I say that was good? All right, thank you.